Hello friends, this is Tint from Tech Rudanshi. Today we will see Bootstrap NavBar menu. So this is the NavBar, and this is very cool NavBar. And when we inspect, it means we are see in our mobile device. It will looks like you can see here. There are the lots of animation effects over there. I have used it here Animate.css, so we can change left, right, top, bottom, Zelly, Tada, lots of animation. We have used Animate.css. So this is awesome. And when you resize your window like me, and when you click, it's cool, and it's also have the sub menu. So you can see here when you click it, other sub menu has been opened. So this is cool menu, and we will learn this. So I want to show you a more important thing about animate.js, that is here are the lots of animation, rubber band. Just copy it, and you have to just paste it here, control S, and now refresh and again resize the window, and you can see here. This is cool. So lots of things we will discuss it here. So another live example it here, demo in a demo, and when you refresh and resize the window, and you can see here. So there are the lots of thing in this tutorial. So let's begin to write a code. So we will work from scratch. So we have to just close this file, and create a new project. I'm creating a project PHP, and this is a NavBar project. You can give it any name. So this is index.php file. Just remove it. So here are the official website of the Kit Bootstrap 2. I'm using this in 3.3, and here are the navbar example. You can see here this navbar, and also have some other navbar it here, but I'm using this navbar. And just copy full code. We didn't change any code at this time, and paste it here. And before pasting, just create a div and class row, so it will adjust perfect. So we have done a navbar, but we have to customize our navbar. So for that, first we need here we need to bootstrap CDN and jQuery. Just copy jQuery CDN. Okay, we don't know want to you just if you don't know how to use the jQuery, don't worry about that. You have to write you have to search it like jQuery CDN, and click this, and minify file, and you have to just copy this and paste it anywhere. Just copy, and in our project we need to, this is the recommended way to attach jQuery before a body closing tag. So jQuery we have added it here, and the next thing is the bootstrap CDN. And you can also download bootstrap CDN. Click it here. So JS file we need it, and CSS also, script tag, and script tag should be closed, and src is bootstrap CDN. So here we need to create a CSS file, and the next is JS file, and inside a JS we need a our file which is main.js, and also we have to add, so like this, add, and also we need some bootstrap, NavBar. So CSS also required, just copy it, and link and href, and just paste it here, and it's related to style sheet. Control S, and navbar, when we run this project, Control S and run this project, it will work fine. Our navbar, everything is working fine, but it's not looking like it's not look like this, okay, and not animated like this. So when you it's working, but not this is not perfect fit, and we have to some customize and adding some animation it here. So for the for that we also need a animate.css file. This is, you can search it on Google, animate.css, and come here and attach this animate.css file. Just click it here, and raw, and download, save as. So I would already download this, and you have to, if you don't know, if you don't have this, you have to download. So I'm copy this, and you have to paste inside your CSS folder, and to link your project. And also we need a rcss file, that is style style.css. So also we need to attach this file, and then we have to write some code it here. So in our navbar we need to add some customization. So this is id is very important. So this id is exactly match to this bs example navbar collapse 1. So this is our rbs and my bs. You can give any id, any name which you decide, and just remove all the things it here. So this is the menu button, you can see here. We will also change and give it any id, and id I'm giving it my menu, yeah, mobile menu, m menu, menu, my menu, I think menu. This is we have a give user defined id on the menu button. We have to copy this, and now we need to go a js file, and inside we have to write some code. So dollar, first we have to initialize, make a ready document dot ready, and function, and like this we have a ready our dom it here. So dollar, we have a copied our id my menu from index.php it here, and give a event listener which is the click, and function, and done. When we click this menu button, some events it's gonna happen. So write if and else condition. So inside here we will put add some extra class to this to uh, my bs id dollar. You can give any name, dot Okay, just remove add class, remove class, whatever you decide, but follow my this video. So remove class, and remove class you can give it any class name. So I'm giving it pop menu. So here just copy, and here is add class. So we have add one time add and one time uh, remove that class, but the condition is we have to check the if this class it is present to this id. So has class, this is a jQuery function. If it has a class, means this pop class to this id, so it will remove immediately, and if it is not has, it will add this class. Control S for save, and done I think, but we need to add um, some animation to it here whenever we click. So uh, for that we will add some animation to this, and dot add class, and add class. So this id means here we are adding some animation class. So add class is animated, and you can give search on github. Okay, just close it. Search on github, just go back, and here are lots of animation. So swing, I'm giving it a swing. So mistake we have done, didn't wrap it inside double and single quotation. So now it's done. So control S for save, and we will see it's working or not. So this is our project, just little bit. I think it's not working, we have to check. Okay, it's working, but there is a problem. We didn't make a enable to that menu. Just remove it. So here we need to write some code to make a good looking menu. So body, and body overflow I will teach you. I will tell you later, but here hidden um, means this is x and this is y. So whenever content, you can see here this scroll bar, whenever you put this property, automatically it will hidden. So for that, and also the other solution is you have to just remove this row class it here. Control S and refresh, so it's cool. And the next thing is navbar default. So navbar default, this class navbar default, this is, and this class have some property which is a background. We want to white color, and padding we want to 10 pixel and 20 pixel, top and bottom 10 pixel and left and right 20 pixel. So you can see here like this it will show. And also we need to a box shadow, give it any box shadow, 0.1 pixel, 0.1 pixel, 5 pixel, and black color. Control S for save, and you can see here. So this shadow is not looking good, so right click, inspect, and just like this, and make this console bottom, and this is a background color, and just right click, and navbar default, and here are just make it more. and also make opacity less. So good. And just select everything it here and paste it here. Control S for save and refresh. So it's good, but but our menu is not working. We have added eliminated some classes, but the menu is not showing us. So for that we will do some extra thing. I think why it's not showing. Okay, the some properties we have forgot it here. So when class will add, so menu will show, and when it will disable, so it's not okay, it's not important to add a hide, but you can hide it. So control S for save and refresh, and you can see here, just refresh mobile version, and you can see here. So this is good looking. And if you want to change this icon, and also you can put shadow it here. So there are the lots of this is the CSS only part, it's remaining, so you can add it here. And also we will change this search bar with a small icon. So for making those things, we will add some media query. So you have to wait 3 times for uh, desktop, for mobile devices, and for the tablet. So I'm adding for a small device which is mobile. So at the red media, and only media only, and only is a screen, and make size max width, it has a 600 pixel. So when your size when your device size is 600 and 600, this functionality will come. So $navbar default means this one has some shadow, so I don't want some shadow on a mobile device, because we want to a shadow on this menu, only this menu, not a parent. So on this device, just box shadow, put it none. And the padding is not important at here, 10 pixel and 0 pixel. And the other thing is when your navbar is collapse, means when your navbar is active, means this class navbar collapse. So this class is navbar default, navbar default, and inside have navbar collapse. We'll put some property it here. So background, put background put white color, and margin for 5 pixel and 0 pixel, and again 0 pixel and 10 pixel. 10 is the right margin. And box shadow is the same shadow, because we have a remove the parent shadow. So this is our just only menu. mobile menu and sub just menu item. So it will we can put it 0.8 of something. Control S and refresh. So you can see the parent shadow has gone, and just only shadow we can see here, only child of this parent, which is NavBar default. And the NavBar header, which is this header, we want to also add some uh, shadow on this. So NavBar header collapse and NavBar header. So just right click, copy it, and come here and paste it here. So this is the NavBar header, and we wanted to put uh, shadow. So same shadow like this, and paste it here, and border as none. Control S and now refresh. So you can see here it's perfect, and it's looking cool. And you can change animation using this. Where is okay, Zello bounce, okay, Zello ubal, you can put it ubal it here, swing and ubal, control S and here, and make it like this. Okay, already it's ubal. So we will do a something, flip Y, copy and paste it here, control S and refresh, make mobile device, and you can see here it's cool. So you can make many things, and this is good. So it's make a last thing, this is make some less length. So we have added it a class which is pop menu, and pop menu have some form and some input area. So this class pop menu and have some form, and inside form we have a input and input type text, which is text area, and put its width is 60%. Control S and refresh and click it here. So this is 60%, and just copy and again just paste it here. And this is for button, which is submit button and search button, whatever you put, and its length is good, but we want to a plot left, and this is also a plot left, so it will show inline plot left. Control S and save. So this link is also going to plot left, so this link we want here. So for that, come here. So this is the button, this is the form, and inside a form we can create any tag, span tag and whatever. I am putting it span tag for putting clear fix class, and put plot clear class is clear fix I think. Control S, right? So okay, it's cool, but this submit button we want little bit up. So button and margin top -5 pixel. Control S for save and refresh, and you can see that's a good and cool, and also have a good effect on mobile device. So just inspect it and see in the mobile device it looks like this, because this is not responsive, so we didn't have add the device I think we called that um, that is the media screen viewport, CSS viewport. Click it here and click it here, and just copy this line and just close it, and inside head section we have to put Control S and refresh, so you can see here. Cool. And slide in up, slide in up, where it is, slide in up, just copy, and JS, and slide in up, Control S, make a mobile device. Okay, actually just right click, having a problem, I think. JS file is not updating. Okay, swing, it's showing me a swing. Okay, this is another example. This is our previous and this is our new. Okay, make this in a sidebar, just click it here. Cool. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and visit my new site, which is krishnarathod.com. Here are lots of learning resources. You can download source code and many other things which is free, and this videos code also available it here, so you can download. I will put this code here also. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and let me know your thoughts and what you think about my videos. So please write a comment and like and dislike whatever you think about us. So bye.